Welcome to all of you. Human face or human portrait shapes are an easy method. First, a oval shape should be created. The oval should be equal to horizontal divided into three parts. First part, second part, third part. Draw a vertical line from the middle. On the first line, draw three equal distance rectangles. Three of the rectangles will be equal. Then make sure and see if there is equal. One's eye should be made in the first one. The second one will be blank and another eye should be made in the third one. Then draw eyebrows above the eyes. Vertical line should be drawn from the first eye, right side to second horizontal line. And once more, vertical line should be drawn from the second eye, left side to second horizontal line. Then draw a nose. Now the lips. Then draw ears from the outside the oval shape in the middle part. Make hair by own style. Make a neck set with two curved lines. Light and shadow must be created. Camel student watercolor were used to paint this portrait. This is the easiest way to draw a portrait. The size should be changed according to the shape of the face.